Page 664, number 7. We are to find the sum of the arithmetic sequence -7, -3, 1, 5, 9, and 13. So right away we know it's arithmetic, so there has to be a common difference. So our common difference is 4, and we know that we have 6 terms here if we count them. There's 6 terms. And then our first term is -7, and our last term is 13. So we're going to use the formula that the sum is equal to the number of terms times the first term plus the last term, and that's divided by 2. So when we do that, we get 6 times -7 plus 13 divided by 2. Simplifying that, we get 18. Now the nice thing is there is another formula for the sum, which is that we can do n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Now this formula would be handy if it's given in the form of the general term of the arithmetic sequence instead of all the terms being written out. As we did it the first way, this formula, it would be more simple. But I'm going to show you that the second formula works just as well. So we know we have 6 terms, and we're going to take 2 times the first number, which is -7, and then we're going to add to that 6 minus 1 times 4. So we're going to get 3 times -14 plus 20, because what I didn't do here was I didn't substitute in that n was 6. So that's where we get the 25 times 4. And we would get again 3 times 6, which is 18. So both methods work. But as I said, in our case, the first method would be more efficient than the second.